Hello, we're back with another container. This is a 2-bedroom container in 140 foot. We have left the container doors open so that you can go outside from the bedroom. So we haven't completely sealed the container doors. That's the kitchen area. In the kitchen cabinet, the inside of the cabinets are white, outside are painted grey. That's according to client's preference. We wanted to fully utilize that space, so we came up with a different kind of door. This is a double door for that corner. That way we are able to use this space that is often wasted here. You are able to access it, so you can put your cylinder or you put your bottles, anything that you might need to store in that space. Considering this is a small unit, we had to maximize on storage, more so in the kitchen area. So we have quite deep drawers. We had to work with 1-foot drawers because of the space. We wanted to come up with a design that can utilize every space in this kitchen area. So this unit was intended to have some uniqueness, and that's why we came up with that kind of shelf. So you're able to store your spices, your cups, your glasses there, and then here you can store anything that you wouldn't want to be seen by everyone. This is the bedroom space. It's going to be the kids' bedroom. So that is 1-bedroom space. Just right after the kitchen, you have that space. So we'll have a sliding door there that will slide going this way. We decided to install it at site. One, because the client was running short of time and the client was traveling back, so we had to deliver. And then sliding doors are best installed once the container has reached on site on a flat surface, because you'll have to install it with a spirit level. So that's the living space from this side. All doors in this unit are sliding doors. So this is the bathroom. Just from the living space, you get the bathroom. You have the toilet seat there. And then we have the shower area. So this is the master bedroom. Those are the original container doors. So that too will be a sliding door. This is the door to the bathroom. Those are doors to the bedrooms. So once you close the doors, the container doors, that's how it looks from inside.